Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. In this video we will see practical number 15 of Java programming, which is according to Diploma Computer and IT, case schema and 4th semester, and the topic in this video is to create a menu bar with various menu items. So this is again part of AWT, that is graphical user interface. In the previous practical we have seen how to create AWT window, that is a frame window, and in that window we have added some controls like checkbox, buttons, radio buttons, text field, text area and so on. So all those controls can be added inside our frame window using some multiple classes and their objects which are available inside our AWT package. So in this program we have to see a menu bar and menu items. So what is menu bar? Whenever we see any Windows application or any other application, there is a bar which is below title bar. So that is called a menu bar, and in that bar we can see multiple menus are present. So file menu is there, edit menu is there, search menu is there. So these are the menus which are available inside our Notepad++ application. Similarly, we have menus associated with any other application, and in those menu we have some multiple options. These are called menu items. So new, open, these are the menu items which are inside our menu. So whenever we click on menu, it will expand and it will show us multiple menu items. So this is how the structure will be, and all the menus are present on this bar which is called menu bar. So this is how we will create our menu bar and menus and menu items. So in the previous practical we haven't seen menu bar. Whenever we are creating frame is having some properties like it has a title bar, it has a menu bar, and it has operational functions. So you cannot see menu bar present in the previous example which we have seen in the previous practical. So why it is not there? Because we haven't created any menu bar and we haven't created any menus and menu items there. So that's why it is not visible. So we are going to do that in this practical. So now we will see the first question, which is design an applet application to demonstrate the use of radio button and checkbox. So in the previous practical number 14 we have already completed this question which was regarding radio button and checkboxes. So if you see, the code was like this. So we have created some checkboxes, and after that we have created checkbox group, and we have combined checkboxes and checkbox group to create radio buttons. So this is how the checkbox and radio buttons can be created. So the same code can be repeated here. So I am not creating this code because the question is same as the previous practical question number. So I am moving toward the second question, which is write a program which creates a menu of different colors and disable menu item for black color. So what we have to do? We have to create a menu. In that we have to mention different colors as a menu items, and from those menu items we have to disable one menu which is of black color. So this is how our structure will be. We will be creating menu, then multiple menu items will be there having names of different colors, and from that we have to disable one menu item which is of black color. So directly moving toward the code. So initially we have to import the java.awt package which is having some controls and frame. So frame class and other controls will be present inside this AWT package. For that purpose we have to import it. Then I am creating class definition as class menu demo extends frame. So again I am creating the same method, which is I am creating my own class and which is extending frame class. So automatically frame class properties will be inherited into menu demo class. So it will automatically become a frame. Next I am creating constructor of this class which is menu demo. Then in that constructor what I am creating object of menu bar class. So this menu bar class is again present inside this AWT package. So there are lots of classes and interfaces present inside this AWT package. From that we are going to use one by one which are needed in our programming. So menu bar space m bar. So this is the object name is equal to new menu bar. So it will create an empty menu bar which is not having any menus. Then I am using set menu bar method which is present inside our frame class. What it will do, this method will create a menu bar on that frame, and I am setting this menu bar as a M bar. So I am assigning M bar inside this parameter. So what it will do, it will assign this M bar as a menu bar on the frame. Next, after creating menu bar, what we have to do, we have to create multiple menus. So as you see in the Notepad++ application, there are multiple menus available on this bar. So these are called menus. So I am creating object of menu class. So again it is present inside AWT package. So menu space M1. So this is the object name is equal to new menu, and in that I am passing a string. So that will be name of my menu. So I am passing color. So the first menu is created and the name of that menu is colors. So next I am creating menu item. So I am creating object of menu item class. So menu item space mn1 is equal to new menu item, and in that I am passing string as a red. So as mentioned in the question, we have to create a menu of different colors. So the colors menu is created, and in that menu we have to add some menu items which was regarding multiple colors. So I am creating one menu item which is having name as a red. Next I am creating second menu item mn2 as a green, similarly mn3 as a blue, then mn4 as a black. So I have created 4 menu items and their respective objects are created, and as mentioned in the question, we have to disable the menu item of black color. So for that purpose I have to use a function which is set enabled, and in that we have to pass a boolean value. So I am calling this function on mn4 object which is regarding black color. So mn4 dot set enabled, and in that bracket I am passing boolean value as a false. So what it will do, it will disable this menu which is associated with black color, and automatically disabling means it will gray out this, or it will be displayed in the gray color. It is not displayed in the black color whenever it is disabled. So this is how we have disabled a black color menu item. Next I am creating one more menu item as mn5 and assigning color name as a orange. So this is how we have created 5 menu items, and out of which black color menu item is disabled using this set enabled and false function. So this is how the menus items are created, and we have created menu also, and menu bar is also created. Now what we have to do, we have to add those menu items inside menu. So I am using add method of m1 which is of menu class. So I am adding this menus items inside this menu. So m1 dot add mn1. Similarly I am adding mn2, mn3, mn4 and mn5. So sequentially they will be added according to their addition sequence. So mn1 will be added first, then mn2 and so on. So all the menu items are added inside this m1 object which is of menu class. So all the menu items are added inside menu. Next we have to add that menu inside our menu bar. So that's why I am using add method. I am calling this add method on m bar. So that means m bar dot add m1. So it will add this menu inside our m bar. So this is how we have created our structure. First we have created menu bar, then we have created menu, then we have created menu items, then we have added those menu items inside our menu, then we have added that menu inside our menu bar. So this is how the sequence will be, and the menu bar is already set using set menu bar function. So this is how the menu bar is created now, and it is having menu, and in that menu we have multiple menu items and black color menu item is disabled. Next, as we have seen in the previous examples, we have to set title to the frame class, then we have to set size, and finally we have to make it visible using set visible and boolean value true. So automatically it will be displayed in front of the user. So this is how the constructor is completed, and finally we have to create a main function. In that we have to create simple one object of that class which we have created. So automatically this will call the constructor, and the coding inside this constructor will be run. So now I am just copying this name, then saving the code. To run this program we have to go to the location, opening CMD here. So next, first command is javac space classname dot java. So javac menu demo dot java. So there is no error, means program is compiled successfully. Next command, java space classname only. So after entering, the frame is opened here, and if you see the menu bar is created here which is having colors as a menu. So if I am clicking on these colors, it will automatically open the menu and it has multiple menu items in it. So red color menu item is there, green, blue, and if you see the black menu item is disabled, it is displaying in the gray color. That means it is not accessible, we cannot click on this and it will not generate any action. But other menus are clickable, you can click on those menus and you can do some action on those menus according to coding. But black color is disabled now. So this is how we can create menus inside our frame, and we can assign those menus inside our menu bar, and we can create multiple menu items inside our menu and add them according to their sequence, and you can use some methods like set disable to disable any menu item. So this is how we have completed this question, and practical number 15 is also completed, which is regarding menu and menu items. We have created menu items, added them according to their sequence and displayed them in front of the user, and this practical is complete now. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.